Cinema is more than just a film, it's an experience, a shared escape. The anticipation, the dark room, the giant screen, the sound, it's all part of the magic. And then the popcorn, the true cinema companion. Buttery, salty, glowing under concession lights. A bucket bigger than your head. Endless golden goodness. It's a ritual. It tastes different, special, better, infinitely better. You've tried to make it at home. Fancy corn, real butter, sea salt, still not the same. Why? What's missing? What's the secret behind that taste and aroma? It's not magic, it's a mix of clever ingredients and environment. Special kernels, precise equipment, and a dash of psychology. Movie popcorn is engineered for maximum flavor. Let's dive into the world of cinema popcorn. Discover why it's the king of snacks. Not all popcorn is the same. The kernel type shapes everything. Texture, taste, and that cinema magic. Cinemas use butterfly kernels, also called snowflake. They pop into light, irregular shapes, perfect for snacking. These wings catch butter and salt, making every bite flavorful. That's the secret to cinema popcorn's appeal. More surface area means more flavor sticks. It's why cinema popcorn tastes so good. Mushroom kernels, on the other hand, pop into dense, round balls. Great for caramel corn, but not for buttery flavor. Their smooth surface can't hold butter or salt well. The taste just slides off. Supermarket popcorn is often a mix, so home batches are inconsistent. Cinemas know, start with butterfly kernels for the best flavor and texture. It's a small detail, but it makes all the difference. That's why cinema popcorn is so hard to match at home. The journey to perfect popcorn starts with the right kernel, and that's just the first secret. Next up, the oil. At home you use vegetable or sunflower oil. Fine, but forgettable. Cinemas use a special highly refined coconut oil, often butter-flavored and colored with beta-carotene. This oil can handle high heat, pops the corn quickly, and infuses it with buttery flavor from the start. It also gives popcorn that iconic golden hue. The oil isn't just for popping, it's a built-in flavor booster. That's why cinema popcorn tastes rich and buttery before any toppings are added. Your home oil is neutral. Cinema oil is engineered for taste and color. It's a crucial step in the flavor gap. The right oil sets the stage for everything else. Without it, you're already missing out. The cinema's popcorn is winning before it even leaves the popper. Now let's talk about the real flavor bomb. Enter flavacol, the holy grail of movie popcorn. It's not just salt. It's a superfine butter-flavored seasoning that clings to every crevice of the popcorn. Regular salt bounces off or sinks to the bottom, but flavacol's powdery texture sticks perfectly. Every bite is evenly seasoned. No bland pieces, no salt bombs. Flavacol also adds extra butter flavor and that signature yellow color. It's a triple threat: saltiness, butteriness, and visual appeal. At home, your salt is too coarse and lacks the extra flavor. Even grinding it won't match flavacol's magic. This is the main reason home popcorn never tastes quite right. Flavacol is the pro's secret weapon. It's seasoning science at its finest. The difference is instantly noticeable. If you want cinema flavor, this is non-negotiable. The right seasoning changes everything. Now let's look at the machines behind the magic. The popping method matters as much as the ingredients. Home setups, saucepans, air poppers, just can't match the power of cinema machines. Cinemas use industrial-grade poppers with huge heated kettles and motorized stirrers. These machines hit precise high temperatures, popping almost every kernel quickly and evenly. The result? Bigger, fluffier popcorn and less waste. The process is fast, efficient, and consistent, perfect for high demand. The popcorn spills into a heated cabinet, staying warm and fresh for hours. Your home pan has hot spots, and uneven heat air poppers skip the oil, so flavor suffers. The cinema's machine is a popcorn factory engineered for perfection. Home equipment just can't compete. The hardware is a huge part of the secret. It's industrial engineering for a snack. But there's more to the experience than just taste. Smell is a powerful trigger, and cinemas know it. The moment you walk in, you're hit with a wave of hot butter, salt, and toasted corn. This isn't accidental, it's atmospheric marketing. The open popper in the lobby acts as a giant scent diffuser, luring you to the counter. The aroma primes your brain, making you crave popcorn before you even see it. This anticipation actually enhances the taste. a psychological trick called sensory priming. At home, the smell is contained, never as overwhelming or tempting. The cinema's environment is engineered to make popcorn irresistible. Even the sound of popping adds to the excitement. The whole sensory package makes the popcorn taste better. It's a feedback loop of craving and satisfaction. The environment is part of the recipe. That's why cinema popcorn is so hard to beat. The experience is as important as the ingredients. But how did popcorn become the movie snack? Popcorn wasn't always a cinema staple. In the 1920s, movie palaces banned snacks to keep things classy. Popcorn was street food, not fit for velvet seats. But the arrival of talkies and the Great Depression changed everything. Cheap, tasty, and easy to sell, popcorn became a hit with moviegoers. Theater owners resisted at first, but soon realized popcorn was a gold mine. During World War II, sugar rationing made popcorn even more popular. By the end of the war, popcorn and movies were inseparable. The humble street snack became a cinema icon, and it's been that way ever since. Ever wondered if you could replicate that irresistible cinema-style popcorn right in the comfort of your own home? The aroma, the taste, the perfect crunch, it all seems so elusive. Absolutely, it's not just possible, it's easily achievable if you follow the right steps and pay attention to the details. Forget the microwave bags. We're talking about real, authentic popcorn. First, the foundation. Buy butterfly kernels. These are the ones that create those large, irregular shapes, perfect for catching all that buttery goodness. Next, you'll need flavacol, the secret weapon of movie theaters. And to complete the trifecta, source yellow coconut popping oil online. This specific type of oil contributes to that signature color and flavor. Now, let's talk equipment. Use a heavy-bottomed pan for even heat distribution. This is crucial to prevent burning and ensure that all kernels pop uniformly. Heat the oil with a few test kernels. This is your temperature gauge. When they pop, it's showtime. Add the rest of the kernels and a generous pinch of flavacol. Swirl the pan gently to coat every kernel with the oil and seasoning. Keep the pan moving with a gentle shake to prevent sticking and burning. Listen closely and pop until the sound of popping slows down significantly. Now, for that truly rich, buttery finish that defines cinema popcorn, use clarified butter or ghee. These are your best friends here. Remember, regular butter contains water, which inevitably makes popcorn soggy. Drizzle the warm, clarified butter generously for that authentic, mouth-watering flavor. The right kernel selection, the perfect oil choice, and precise seasoning, combined with the correct method, make all the difference in achieving popcorn perfection. It might take a bit more effort and attention than simply throwing a bag in the microwave, but the resulting explosion of flavor and texture is undeniably worth it. You'll get popcorn that's genuinely close, perhaps even indistinguishable, to the authentic cinema experience you crave. No need to invest in a bulky, expensive commercial popper, just smarter choices in ingredients and technique. Elevate your home popcorn game to new heights with these simple yet impactful tweaks to your process. The secret to incredible homemade popcorn is now out there, ready to transform your next movie night into a truly special occasion. Now you know how to do it right, so go forth and pop with confidence. Enjoy your blockbuster snack and get ready for some serious movie magic. So the mystery is solved. Cinema popcorn is no accident, it's food engineering at its finest. The butterfly kernel, special coconut oil, and flavacol are the holy trinity. Industrial machines and the cinema environment amplify the effect. The result? Addictive, unforgettable popcorn. But now, you have the knowledge to get close at home. Source the right ingredients, use the right method, and you'll taste the difference. The code is cracked, the secret's out. Time to pop your own masterpiece. Movie night will never be the same. Enjoy every bite.